It's an ultra-short throw projection. As compared with the LED TV of the same size, it has a great advantages. Price, weight, and power consumption. It's much better than traditional LED projection. Only 14 centimeters is needed for 100-inch projection, so the size of the room won't become a restriction. Now, let's see how it performs. As you can see here, it's installed with the two speakers, one here and one over there. And in the center, you can see this central device. The thickness is just 0.6 centimeter. It has a 4K resolution. The effective luminance can reach 350 nits. Let's watch it. I really enjoy it. Yeah! Go, 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 go!